Hello to everybody, new day, new story to tell. So tonight we will talk about the salary here in Europe country, especially here in Cyprus. I will not tell really the exact salary, but we will talk about how we are so very confused with the basic salary, gross salary, and the net salary. Okay, so in each country here in Europe, we are having minimum wage to each country. So not all countries that is based in Europe is the same, right? For example, in Hungary, they are a little bit down minimum wage than here in Cyprus. Okay, because there's lots of OFWs working abroad that is really confused about the basic salary, gross salary, and the net salary. Okay, we will talk about this one by one. Okay. So if you are the one also who is very confused to this kind of thing, so stay on this video until it's finished and comment down below as well if you are having this kind of salary that you are so confused with your situation right now. Okay, basic salary is this is what we call the employment contract or the job offer or the minimum wage that you are signing before you accept the job offer. Okay, so this is the fixed month salary you will get upon signing up your contract. Okay, so the gross salary is where you are getting that amount from the basic salary plus the overtime or plus if you have bonus in your company. So not all company is the same. Okay, so from that gross salary plus bonus and plus overtime, there is deductions after that, like social insurance, tax, what else, accommodations, and other things that it's mentioned also to your contract when you are signing. So you know what is the good thing here is always check your contract before you sign, because it's mentioned there on your contract what is the things that they are deducted in each salary you will have. So after all that deductions, it will goes to your net salary. The net salary is the amount, the total amount that you are taking from your bank, the one that is you receive every month and you credited in your bank. So that is what we call the net salary or your take home money. So okay, so the basic salary is the one you are signing, or that is your job offer or the offer for you in every month. So the gross salary is your plus bonuses plus overtime, and after that there is deductions like insurance, accommodations, or tax like this and that. So after that, the net salary is the one you are having take home money, or the money that you are receiving in your bank account. So yeah, I hope I explained to you very clearly. And always take note that even you are in the same Europe as me, if the minimum wage on your country is not the same with me, it will not be totally the same with your net salary compared to me. And of course, the position also matters. If you are having a high position, of course, you will have a big salary. Anyway, you can search also in a legit website when where you can find the explanation how we are receiving our net salary, and for you also to clear up your mind, not to confuse the basic salary, the gross salary, and the net salary that we are receiving every month. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye.